Hey guys, Blind here. I'm making a video on how to get money for doing almost nothing. Like, you don't have to do anything. Okay, to start off, just click the link in the description of this video. So it's gonna be something like cash mining. Like, it's gonna be this exact link. Here, cash mining. Something. It's my referred link. You just have to search. It's no viruses. I'm sure you have my word, guys, and you can scan it or just use your Waze and do that. And then once you do that, you just have to click register now. It's gonna be up here on the top right corner. You won't have this exact same screen. You're just gonna have another one. Just do register now. Just look at the page. It will be register with details. You don't have to use your real details. You can just use fake details and stuff. You can actually, if you don't want to put your real email, there's a site called yupmail.com. It's just some disposable email. Yeah, you can do that. So that's something. Once you registered, you just have to click this button here. They'll refer you to this page. Once you're in this page, just do start mining cash. You hit this, and then it will once you hit it, it will open this page. Once this page is opened, you just have to leave this page open. Go do anything, just continue your life. Leave your laptop on. Go to have breakfast, go out with your friends or anything. Just leave your laptop, these two pages on. You just click start mining cash, and this will be on. It will just look at ads and stuff, and then you just slowly get money. For every minute it's on, you get $0.00010 every minute. So you start off with $0.05000, but so far I just got 0.05251. And there are two ways to withdraw your money. You have to use PayPal or Payeer. I'm just gonna use PayPal because you can't get scammed, because you just give them your email, your PayPal's email. You have to have only $2, and you have to have at least $2 in your account, and within 1 week they'll pay you in PayPal, and then your account balance is gonna go back to 0. And the nice thing here is there's weekly lotteries here, 4 days, 8 hours, 2 minutes, and 50 seconds. You can buy tickets here through your credit here, your account balance. Each ticket $0.15. I don't purchase a ticket since I don't really believe in this stuff, so I'm just not going there. And the other cool thing is that you can refer friends. Like, I'm gonna refer all of you guys. You just you just copy your link here, send it to friends, update it or stuff, and you get 10% of their earnings, but they'll get their earnings proper normal, but you'll just get a 10% added upon. They'll give you added 10%. So yeah, I have, where are my referrals? More referrals. Okay, I have 1 referral, and so far I just got 0.00009, almost 0.00010. Okay, whatever. So hope you guys like this vid, likes, and yep, just any questions, comment below. Anything, any more videos, any requests, just comment below, guys. Love you guys. See you later. Bye bye.